In this video, we will show you how to create, update, and select custom meal optimization food lists. To create a new list, tap on the Edit List button. Then, tap on the Add New List button on the top right. A dialog will appear where you can enter the name of your new list. Once you have entered the name, tap on the Create button. Your new list will be created and you will be taken to the List Overview screen, where you will see all of the categories available. If you want to add custom categories to your list, tap on the Manage Categories button. You can then deselect categories that you don't want to include in your list, or you can create new categories by tapping on the plus button on the bottom right. A dialog will appear where you can enter the name of your new category. Custom categories can be deleted, but if you delete a custom category, all of the lists that include that category will be automatically updated. On the List Overview screen, you will see all of the categories that you have included in your list. To see all of the foods in a category, tap on the category name. You can also tap on the Manage Category Name button to be taken to the food search page, where you can search for and add foods to your list. Once your list is complete, tap on the Back button and then tap on the Update List button. Your list will then be updated and can be used for the optimization. Download nutriAIve now and start eating healthier.